Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
What dish do you cook the best?
I am expert at making pasta.
Do you like football?
Yes, I enjoy watching and playing football.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee. I prefer tea instead.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English fluently.
Where did you learn English from?
I learnt from basic English conversation videos.
Do you know that shop?
Yes, I know that shop.
What does your father do?
He is an engineer.
Do you think I am crazy?
No, I don't think so.
Do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Are you getting me?
Yes, I understand.
Do you know me from before? Yes, I know you from before.
Why do you ask about it?
Because I want to know it.
Do you know him?
No, I don't know him personally.
What do you have?
I have enough money and a big house.
What do you need now?
Actually, I need your help.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I love pets.
Do you like singing?
I like it, but I cannot sing very well.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I can understand you.
Do you want chocolate?
Yes, I like it.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have been driving since I was 18 years old.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have.
What car type do you like?
I like to drive classic cars.
Do you often drink Coca-Cola?
No, sometimes I do.
Do you know where I live?
Yes, I already know that.
How is your family doing?
They are all good, thanks for asking.
How long do you have to wait?
Then I think I should go out.
Then, I think I should go on.
All right, have you a good time wherever you're headed.
Thanks. Catch you later.
You're welcome. Talk to you tomorrow.